Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to change TikTok password. So there are two ways, but okay, the first way to do that is to open your TikTok application and then click your profile picture. Your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on settings and privacy. Click on account. Now click on password. After clicking on password, you will receive a 6-digit code to your email. So you just need to open your Gmail application and then refresh your inbox and then remember the code and then type it out here. So right after you type out your code, you can now proceed to the next step, which is changing your password. So you just have to type out the new password and then remember it. Now, the second way to change your password on TikTok if you forget it, you just have to sign up for TikTok and then click on the use phone or email. Okay, now click on email. Okay, now type out the email address that you have used to connect with your TikTok account. Okay, now just continue with the verification. Now just click on forgot password. Okay, and choose email. Now type out the email that you have connected to your TikTok account and then a 6-digit code will be sent to your email. Now you just have to open your Gmail application to get the code and then go back to your TikTok application and then type out the code that was sent to your email. Okay. So right after that, you just have to type out your new password. Make sure that you won't forget it again. Okay, so that's how you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.